హాయ్ వివర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. In this course, we will learn about trigonometric function topic. In every this topic very landmarks. In this, find the value of tan 75 degrees. In this, we have to find the value of tan 75 degrees by using tan a plus b formula. Solution: tan 75 degrees equal to tan 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Then this is in the form of tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here a equal to 45 degrees, b equal to 30 degrees. Then tan 75 degrees equal to tan 45 degrees plus tan b, tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Tan 45 degrees value is 1. 1 plus tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. By 1 minus tan 45 degrees value 1. 1 into 1 by root 3. By cross multiplication we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. We get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. By rationalization we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. By rationalization we have to multiply and divide with root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Then root 3 plus 1 whole square by root 3 whole square. 3 minus 1, 2. This is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 plus 2 root 3. By numerator we have to divide with 2. Then we get 2 plus root 3. Therefore tan 75 degrees value is 2 plus root 3. Please note down.